You know what's surprising? Among many of the world's highest paying careers, finance consistently dominates. Yes, most students don't know how to enter into this field, which exam to choose, what skills to build, and where to begin their journey. This roadmap is for you, whether you are from a non finance background or already studying finance, but you're feeling confused and you don't know what is going to be your next step. Hello, everyone. I'm Ganesh Nayak. I'm the founder of Fintelligents, where we help students to prepare for professional certifications like CFA, FRM, ACCA, CIA, ESG also. Before making any big career decision, let's try to understand what should be your right approach. Step 1. Start small and test yourself before jumping directly into any advanced certification, because that can be very risky because it requires serious time, money and discipline. First, test your interest through beginner certification. My suggestion would be start with entry level certifications from NISM, which are regulated by SEBI, and certifications are under MSc. They are very good for beginners, and you can do certain certifications which are important for in the market also. For example, NISM Series 8, which is on Securities Market Foundation, which helps you to understand what is equity, debt, mutual fund, and regulations around it. Then there is NIFM Series 15, which is a research analyst series. Great if you're interested into analyzing and doing valuation of stocks. The next series is the NISM Series 8, which is an equity derivatives. Useful if you want to explore trading, risk management, and derivative market. These all will help you to understand whether finance truly interests you before you're committing to a long-term journey into it. Step number 2, build core finance skills. Now, in finance, your value comes from your skills, not just your degree. Okay, so for example, you can learn skill set related to financial modeling, Excel. These are the core tools that are used in most banking jobs. You will analyze companies, forecast revenues, build valuation models. You can also learn from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, all of these. And there you will understand the basics of accounting also. Because accounting is the language of finance, where you understand what is balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, everything is there. You can begin with very simple courses, for example, on a platform like edX. The third, data analysis and visualization. Start with Excel dashboards and then move towards Power BI and Tableau. Finance today is using all of these technologies which are data driven also. Fourth, programming basics. Now, my recommendation for students would be learn the basics of Python, SQL, and R. And because all of these are becoming very, very essential, especially in the banks and the fintech space, where they are doing a lot of analytical roles and a lot of quant roles. Finance data platform is also one more important thing that you should learn. If you get access through college or internship, learn tools like Bloomberg, FactSet, S&P Capital IQ early. Step number 3, explore your financial niche. Now, finance is very, very huge. You must identify which direction in finance you want to go. For example, investment banking and corporate finance, where they focus mostly on valuation, M&A, and fundraising. Equity research and portfolio, where they analyze companies and markets to make an investment decision. Then there is risk and compliance, which manages financial risk and ensure regulatory compliance. Then there is wealth management, helps client grow and manage their wealth. Then there is fintech and data analytics, which combines finance with technology, automation, and data science. So you have to choose your path. Step number 4, apply what you have learned. Learning alone is not just enough. You must show that you can work on that. So post a lot of projects on LinkedIn, for example. Share your dashboard, write short market analysis, try internship on live projects. Even small one can build real confidence and credibility for you. Networking is also very, very important. Talking to professionals often teaches you more than textbooks. So please focus on that also. Step number 5, your long-term roadmap should be like this. Focus on the phase 1, which is the fundamentals. Do a lot of basic certification on NISM and accounting basics. Step number 2, get some practical exposure. Internships, projects, entry-level roles. Step number 3, do end-to-end networking. Build connections and have mentors from the industry. Step number 4, you have to specialize. After 2 to 3 years into the industry, you have considered all of the basics, you've understood it, now look for advanced certification. And these advanced certification could be CFA, FRM, CIA. And that's where your phase number 5 starts, which is continuous learning in finance. Because finance is evolving every year. So you have to stay updated. You have to keep on learning, keep on doing new certifications to upskill yourself. Right? Now, friends, what are the common mistakes that you should avoid in this journey? First, skipping basics and jumping into advanced certification. You should completely avoid that. Second, spend heavily on courses without testing your interest. directly enrolling for any course without even knowing whether you are actually interested in doing that course for a long-term process or not. Third, focusing only on theory without real exposure. Fourth, ignoring networking and mentorship, which is very, very important if you want to survive in the industry for a long period of time. So if you have a structured roadmap, finance is not impossible. It's actually very good. If you get an entry, even if you are from zero, you can grow into that field. If you are confused about your finance career, please ask questions and drop it into the comment box and I will guide you. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you.